Hello all. In this video, I showcase an interactive PictoBlox project created during the Python Teacher Training Bootcamp. This project is aimed at basic Python programming using py editor in PictoBlox. This is a simple Python program for temperature converter, which converts temperatures between Celsius and Fahrenheit. This project was developed for the International Teacher Training Program on Python with PictoBlox organized by STEMpedia. By the end, you will have a working script that converts temperature between Celsius and Fahrenheit, enhancing your coding skills and understanding the basics of programming language. Let's get started. The two most common temperature scales are Celsius and Fahrenheit. Celsius is widely used in most of the world, with 0 degrees as the freezing point of water. Fahrenheit, primarily used in United States, sets water's freezing point at 32 degrees. Before we start coding, make sure you have Python installed on your system, or else you can use PictoBlox.ai website to open the Python editor in the PictoBlox. So for this program, we are going to use PictoBlox.ai website. From this, we are going to select the Python editor. Now here, type your program. What is my program? My program is for temperature converter. Now here, first I am going to ask the user whether the user want to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. And depending on the user input, the temperature will be calculated and converted into the respective one. And then it is displayed on the screen. So let's get started. So here is my message that I want to print on the screen, that choices the user has to make: Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then I am going to convert that formula, Celsius to Fahrenheit. Now what is the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit? So the formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit is this one: Celsius into 9 divided by 5 plus 32. And my formula for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, that is the formula. So these two are my formulas. So first we are going to make the choice, and depending on the choice we are going to convert it. Now for this I am going to use if, elif and else statement. So here, if my choice is 1, then I am going to take from user the input as which temperature that user have to convert it. So if my choice is equal to 1, take the input from the user that enter temperature into Celsius, and as that temperature may contain the decimal point, I am going to convert it into a float using the float data type, and that is stored in the Celsius. And then now I have to convert it. Use this formula for Celsius to Fahrenheit and store in the variable that I can call it as answer. My answer is stored in this variable. Whatever result of conversion is stored in this variable. Now again, the next part is printf. So this conversion I have to print on the screen. So how I am going to print it on the screen? Using the print formula. So let's see it. Printf function, printf Celsius, whatever Celsius is there, whatever the user input, degree centigrade is the symbol for it, and is equal to whatever my answer is, that is to be in the Fahrenheit. Now elif. Now here we are going to write the elif, and again I am going to take the user input. So here in Python, indentation is very much important. Now my this if all this should be properly aligned in one line. Okay, so here I'm going to take the temperature in Fahrenheit, and again I'm storing that value in the variable that is named as Fahrenheit. Now my value is Fahrenheit. Now my answer is in Celsius. Suppose I am going to take the variable as Celsius, or you can take the same variable as answer is equal to. Now this is my formula which converts my temperature which is given in the Fahrenheit to Celsius. So this is my formula which is going to calculate. Now I have to print it on the screen. So my print is statement is like this. Let us start. Which is going to print along with the message. So these two are my formulas for conversion. Now again, if you are going to enter the another one other than 1 and 2, then it has to give me the answer as invalid choice. So that will come in the else part. Else. So in the else, I am going to print that invalid choice. Please enter 1 and 2. So let's run the program using the run button here. Oh sorry, I forgot to remove my both the formulas. So error, remove the errors, and then again run. So now click on the run, enter your choice. I enter 1, enter the temperature. Suppose I enter 0 degree. 0 degree centigrade is equal to 32 degree Fahrenheit. Now again click on run. Again, now I am going to enter 2. My temperature in Fahrenheit, I enter suppose 100 degree Fahrenheit is equal to, let us see how much it is, that is 37.78. So here is my program. Again, if I want to check for the third else part, so I can enter suppose 3. Then it will give me the message invalid choice, please enter 1 or 2. So here is the simple program for temperature converter. Thank you.